You just let me know. I'm gonna freaking reel one.
Gotta be a walleye.
Nope, just a huge crappie.
Oh, that's what they were all.
God dang. That is a freaking monster. Hold that thing up. Whew.
Yeah, buddy.
That's all a 13 right there. Good nut. Wow.
Keep focused on reeling the fish in. Yeah.
No.
Yeah, he's on my graph now.
I see that.
He's a good one. Yeah, he's a good one.
Yeah, this isn't a crappie. You want to pause that phone by chance?
You can if you got time.
I got time. He's just
take your time with it. 'Cause it's probably like the one I just lost.
yeah, he's oh man, he's a good one. I just saw him. Unless that was your arm.
No.
I'm not sure.
The one I just lost was a good one. Just take your time with it.
Yeah.
The hole's clean. I mean.
Oh no. We just gonna have to play him out.
Yeah, Matt's got a big one on right now. Yeah, Matt's got a big one on.
Yeah,
Matt's been fighting this one for 5 minutes. I don't know what Matt's got.
I don't know what this one is, dude, but it's a good one. I don't know if I've even gained any line on him. I don't know. He's coming up.
One.
He's coming up now.
Just keep up with him. Just focus on fighting. Focus on the fish.
Those are big head shakes. He's moving a lot of water.
I'll get him if you get him.
Yeah.
Just remember, those big fish, if they don't come to the hole, don't try and pull them. Don't try and force them through the hole. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
If they keep going, just let them go.
There he is.
Yeah.
There he is.
You see what I mean?
Yep. I see. I see what you mean.
Until he comes up.
Yeah.
Don't force it.
That's a big one though.
You can't force him with this line and that hook. So just let him come. No, I think we got it. If we can ever get his head through.
Yeah, that's about right. We saw him. He's a good one.
He's probably bigger than mine. Mine came up pretty easy.
This one is one of the bigger walleyes I've ever had the pleasure of having on my line. Here he comes.
Remember, just let him bring his head through. Yeah. Don't force him. See what I mean?
Yeah.
Don't force him. That's when you pop the hook. Just let him get tired and bring his head up.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
That's a real good one.
Don't force him, man. Don't force him. Don't force him. Let him
watch
come.
that.
Yeah.
You gotta watch that. You gotta watch that wrap. Oh yeah, nice dude. Yes, nice, dude. Hook is out.
A little bit better than mine.
Oh, dude, that is so sweet.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh man, that's a good one too.
All three of mine are bad.
Oh my gosh, hold that lantern up, Blake.
Should brought my fucking scale.
Let's see what you got, Bo. Hold yours up too. Oh man, I'm gonna have to get a picture of this one.
21.
Oh no, he's bigger.
This one's like 23, 24-ish probably.
That's probably
5
flat, right on the mark, I'm guessing. maybe 4.5, but
Right
she
about-
looks like she got a little bit
Right
of a belly
about what
on her.
I lost.
Well, I'm gonna get back to her.
Yeah.
So
Here, Blake, I'm ready to go, and then Thanks, dude. You're a freaking boss with that.
nice fish, man.
You just gotta
Thanks, Bo.
You gotta be careful with those ones. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Hold them just like you did, right there. One more, right there. Let me look at them.
Yeah. We got plenty of time. Nice cold water. Oh, that's fantastic. Yeah, those are great. I'll just let him go.
Yeah.
Those ones with the flash are perfect. Oh, that is worth the trip right there. There's no reason to keep that turd. That one needs to go home.
Let him kick off.
Yeah.
You've had him a long time.
Yeah.
Hold his tail a little bit in the hole so that he can push when he needs to. There he goes.
There he goes. Oh, yeah. Nice, dude. Thanks. On the jigging wrap. Can't beat it. The line's all twisted now from messing with that turd. Alright, just got back. That was pretty cool. Caught the biggest walleye I've ever caught through the ice. Seriously, you just can't beat that. That was just a lot of fun. Blake was right there, just spot on landing. It was really cool. That jig and wrap was pretty close to getting caught on the ice. I guess that's why they tell you to cut the front hook, but just perfect. Walleye came up and crunched it and just kind of fought him out until I was able to get him in. Just a nice, probably 23, 24 inch walleye. Just can't beat it. That was really cool. I should have taken the camera off and like gotten some better shots with it, but we got some good pictures, and I'll probably include those in the video itself. But that was neat. Really happy to have that one after last year losing one about that size on a different lake right at the hole. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.